In a world of stealthy predators, the cobra is a fearsome killer.
Its ultimate weapon is a neurotoxin, capable of taking down any creature with a single bite.
But in the wild, not every castle is impregnable. This is a fortress of fearless warriors. An act of curiosity, or the arrogance of a ruler. It has made a fatal mistake.
The aggressive metallic blue wasps explode from the nest, swarming the cobra's flared hood.
To understand the danger the swarm is facing, let's witness the true power of this invader.
A potent cocktail of venom paralyzes the prey. The cobra, an impassive predator, waits for the struggle to end before moving in.
But the strength of an individual means nothing against the fury of a collective.
The blue metallic wasps launch a coordinated attack. Their stingers penetrate cobra's scales, causing an immediate.
Their strength lies in numbers.
Each stinger is a painful injection, and when hundreds of those injections are delivered, it becomes a devastating weapon.
This solitary predator has a fatal weakness. Its eyes and soft skin are perfect targets.
Each of its bites only hit the air.
Weakened, the massive reptile cannot sustain the effort. It is a rare glimpse of vulnerability for the jungle king.
Each sting is a suicide mission, but they are willing to sacrifice themselves to protect their nest.
The cobra is succumbing to the powerful neurotoxins, resulting in uncontrolled muscle spasms.
In a chaotic display of raw power, the King Cobra attempts to dislodge the swarm, but the sheer number of blue wasps proves too much for the predator.
Overwhelmed by the attacking insects, the cobra loses its footing, tumbling helplessly down the embankment. Battered from the fight, the massive cobra retreats deep into the hollow log, seeking refuge in the darkness of the jungle floor. But this jungle has another ruler, a creature whose tenacity and aggression are legendary. The honey badger. Suddenly, the hunt is interrupted. The cobra, startled, raises its hood, only to be met by the legendary ferocity of the honey badger.
The cobra tightens its grip, yet the badger, known for its fearless aggression, twists within the coils, delivering a powerful counterattack.
Against the odds, the honey badger asserts its dominance, pinning the massive cobra to the jungle floor.
The relentless assault continues. With unmatched ferocity, the badger tears into the cobra, a desperate struggle for survival amidst the dense jungle.
Defeated and severely injured, the massive snake makes a final, agonizingly slow attempt to escape the humid jungle floor.
Completely overwhelmed, the king cobra thrashes violently, but the badger maintains its grip, its powerful jaws and claws inflicting severe damage.
In this jungle, victory isn't just about survival, it's the prize.
In the battle for survival, there is no room for arrogance. Only the most tenacious will survive.